Hey, hi. So, in the last video, I talked about what is the actual meaning of a startup and what should be the pillars of a startup. और जिन भी लोगों ने नहीं देखा है मेरा लास्ट वीडियो, they could check it out. I have put the link in the description box, तो आप लोग देख सकते हो. Because this video can be interesting if you have watched my last video. नाउ इन दिस वीडियो वी विल टॉक अबाउट. आपने ये तो सुना होगा कि एक स्टार्टअप को स्टार्ट करने के लिए क्या क्या चीज़ें चाहिए, बट लेस टाइम पीपल टॉक अबाउट कि एक स्टार्टअप में क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. सो टुडे आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट व्हाट यू शुडंट डू इन अ स्टार्टअप. सो लेट्स बिगिन. So, if someone wants to build their career as a startup or by starting their own startup, so what are the necessary facts that they shouldn't do? And this is the hard truth. So, the first thing is the base of a startup that begins with the co founders. It's very important to have the right co founders in your team. The reason behind it is that most of the startups are killed because of the fights between the founders. So, most of the startups fail because of not having the right co founders. You see, almost 80% startups dies due to the wrong co founders or the wrong team. So make sure that you choose the right co-founders from the beginning, because that the base of the startup. अगर आपका base strong नहीं है, definitely it's going to fail someday. Failure पक्का है. I know in startups you're gonna fail, but this should not be the reason to fail in a startup. Competition can be the reason, funds can be the reason, but not the right co-founders. So make sure that you have the right co-founders in a team. The second thing comes is that when you try to discuss about your business plan or models, keep yourself in present. बहुत बारी क्या होता है ना, जब हम स्टार्टअप्स के बारे में सोचते हैं, ये करते हैं, वी थिंक इन फ्यूचर दैट इन फ्यूचर दिस शुड बी डन, वो ऐसे होगा, वी विल अचीव दैट. नो, it's good to have a long vision, but make sure what is the to-do list of today. आज क्या करना है, आज क्या अचीव करना है, what is the goal for today. That's more important than having a long vision. At least you could rise tomorrow if you have done today. But if you will be constantly thinking about the future, nothing is going to happen, because you are not able to take actions because you don't have the plans for today. सो मेक श्योर कि आपके पास आज का प्लान हो. सो स्टार्ट थिंकिंग एट द प्रेजेंट, बिकॉज टू रीच दैट फ्यूचर यू नीड टू टेक एक्शन इन द प्रेजेंट. सो आई होप यू गेट द सेकेंड वन, दैट इज टू मेक अ टू डू लिस्ट फॉर टुडे, that what you need to achieve today. Okay, so most of the startups are constantly looking for fundraising and for money, and they think that money is something which is stopping them to grow. Yes, funds are the factors too, but do not borrow money till you are confident or strong enough with your business models. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपका business model market में चल सकता है and you could earn money through it, if there is a possibility, because you need to have a pilot project before that. If that pilot project works, so go for the funds, go for the seed funding, then till to the extent you want to achieve or you want to grow. Okay, so कभी भी पैसा को लेकर, मीन्स रिसोर्सेज का लैक होने से, डोंट थिंक यू आर नॉट ग्रोइंग अ स्टार्टअप. देयर इज समथिंग which are lacking in the business model. And let me say simply this, कि अगर आपको स्टार्टअप चलाना है तो you need to have जुगाड़ आपके पास होना चाहिए. जितना भी अमाउंट आपके पास है, मेक श्योर आप उससे क्या बेटर कर सकते हो. ओके, दिस इज इन अवर जनरेशन, ये शायद पहले भी होता था, आई डोंट नो अबाउट इट, दैट पीपल कंसिडर लाइक बिजनेसेस एज द फैमिली and startups as a family. So let me tell you one thing very clearly, no one is your friend in the startup. अगर आपको ये ऐसा लगता है कि ये आपकी फैमिली है, because you will not be able to judge them on the basis of their efficiency, and startups only work on the efficiency of your work, how much you work और कितने टाइम लग रहा है और कितना कॉस्ट एफिशिएंट है. सो ये सब चीज़ें होती हैं, बट इफ़ यू ट्रीट देम लाइक योर फैमिली, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू, you are not going to go anywhere in your startup. So make sure you work like professionals. You make sure आप डांटो, and if somebody is not capable of doing it, let them go और उन्हें बोलो माफ़ कर दो, आप जा सकते हो. Because you really need to grow in your startup. अगर आपको startup में grow करना है, so it's very important that you make sure you have an efficient team with you जो कि half-heartedly काम नहीं करे. This is one another point I want to add कि most of the people do half-hearted work and put half-hearted efforts in the startup. So make sure that you remove these people. So the fourth point is keep your things documented. In most of the startups, basically you start with your friends. So good, because your friends know कि आप किस डायरेक्शन में सोचते हो. बट ये भी इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि यू कीप थिंग्स डॉक्यूमेंटेड, बिकॉज लिटरली वो आप जब बाद में रियलाइज़ करोगे, यू वुड नो कि वेर यू हैव रीच्ड एंड व्हाट यू हैव डन एक्चुअली. सो मेक श्योर आप हर दिन डॉक्यूमेंटेड रखो कि व्हाट वाज द प्रोग्रेस एंड हाउ व्हाट यू हैव डन इन अ स्टार्टअप, हाउ मच यू वेंट थ्रू इन अ डे, आप एक दिन में कितना कर रहे हो ऑन योर स्टार्टअप. सो यू मेक श्योर यू कीप थिंग्स डॉक्यूमेंटेड. दैट्स वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट. एंड इसका रियलाइजेशन एक टाइम बाद होता है जब यू आर नॉट एबल टू गो बैक, और आपके पास आपका मेमोरी इतना अच्छा नहीं है कि आप रियलाइज़ कर सको कि हाउ मच यू हैव डन. बिकॉज जब भी आप स्टार्टअप कर रहे हो, यू नीड टू अपग्रेड एवरी डे, एंड उस अपग्रेडेशन के लिए यू शुड नो कि आप पिछले दिन क्या किए थे. So this is one of the important points to notice here, that is keep authenticity in your business or in your startup or in anything like your relationship or something. हर चीज़ में authenticity रखना ज़रूरी है, because these shady things, these fancy things can be wiped away anytime. तो ये सब चीज़ें जा सकती है, but if you have authenticity, so you will have a stronger foundation in wherever sector you are, either in your business, career, relationship or somewhere. Okay, so make sure that you remain authentic to yourself then to others. So this is the rule of a startup. This is the last point I want to discuss, and this is the rule of a startup, that you need to realize the cash flow in your startup. और आपका जो फाइनेंशियल है वो स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए. यू शुड बी फाइनेंशियली स्ट्रांग. आपके पास डेटा होना चाहिए. सो आई नीड टू कवर दिस पॉइंट टू कि डेटा इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट इन अ बिजनेस. डॉक्यूमेंटेड डेटा, एज आई ऑलरेडी मैंशनड, कि डॉक्यूमेंटेड होना चाहिए. सो डॉक्यूमेंटेड डेटा गिव्स यू अ लॉट मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट यू एंड योर स्टार्टअप, और आपका कितना प्रोग्रेस हुआ है. अनदर थिंग आई वॉन्ट टू एड दिस इन इट इज़ दैट यू नीड टू रियलाइज योर कैश फ्लो. आपका जो रिसोर्स है आप उसका कैसे यूटिलाइज कर रहे हो. दिस इज़ द हार्ड ट्रूथ टू रियलाइज कि कोई भी आदमी कुछ भी आपके लिए फ्री में नहीं करने वाला. सो दिस इज द रूल ऑफ अ स्टार्टअप. हायर फास्ट बट फायर फास्टर. कि जितनी जल्दी आप हायर करो उतना जल्दी आपको फायर भी करना है, इफ़ द पर्सन, हिज वर्क or her work is not efficient according to you. So make sure that you have the ability to hire people and fire them faster, because in a startup there is a dynamic system. बहुत dynamic रहता है. So you make sure that you people hire your need fast and fire them faster if things are not working, if they are not efficient enough. Because you are paying everything, you are paying your time, you are paying money and also your time. So make sure that you work efficiently in a startup. So with this I want to add a story in this, that once I went for funds to my venture to a well-known person named as Hemant. He was the financial advisor of some company, and again he was one of the members, important members in Ola too. So I went to him. We had a meeting, and we had a meeting. So I took Ola, and some of my teammates went there with me, and so we were not hoping कि वो इतने बड़े आदमी होंगे, and we went to them and we sat with them and we had a conversation जहाँ पे कि we were asking to invest in us, but they gave us an advice because they were actually looking for something different, and we were on a different track. He made understood one thing, and which I like, and which is the hard truth, bitter truth, that do a startup when you think you could survive for 2 years. इतना पैसा हो बैंक में, आपका बैंक बैलेंस इतना हो कि आप 2 साल तक सर्वाइव कर सकते हो बिना पैसे के. So then do a startup, because it needs lot of patience to grow in a startup. It could be like कि 4 साल तक आपका कुछ नहीं हो रहा, 5वें साल you could grow. This could happen and you become one of the top successful startups. But for those 4 years you need to survive. So survival is important in a startup first. If you could survive, if you could sustain in the market, जब आप फिर scale करोगे, so you will become successful, and profitability जब आप scale करोगे तो profitability अपने आप आनी शुरू हो जाएगी. You will get good returns. So you need to be financially strong. So you need to realize your cash flow in the market. This is what I want to tell you from this story. So overall, about these points, one of the things you might have learned is that be professional in your startup, because a startup is not family and you have to be rude. तो आपको rude बनना पड़ेगा. And if you have वो जिगरा है to become rude with the people, to become professional with the people, go ahead, do startup. Otherwise, say no to startup. Thank you.